Here we have three figures of matchsticks, and we need to figure out the algebraic expression that forms this pattern. So let's first take a look at the figures and let's count up the matchsticks. In figure 1, we have 3. In figure 2, we have 3 plus 2 more. In figure 3, we have 3 plus 2 additional ones plus another 2 additional ones. So the plus 2 are that one, and then this plus 2 are going to be that one and that bottom one there. So now let's let n equal the figure number. Well, here n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. But what about if we had, say, figure 9? Well, in that case, n would equal to 9. And the pattern would keep going. You start with